Okay, so here basically we are taking the referrer column and we are looking at the traffic driven by different referrers, right? And we are doing that by creating a bar plot. Now look at this code here, right? So we have the bar plot function, then we have the table function, then we have the subset function, and we are also using the dollar operator to refer to the referrer column, right? So we'll first write this function and see how it comes. Okay, so we'll first create that plot using the code that we see on the slide, right? And that would be, first we subset, let me just comment this out, right? So first we are using the subset function to filter out all the visits which resulted in the conversion, right? So this we do using the subset function, right? And here is the output. Now we want to use the referrer column, right? So next step is to use the referrer column or refer to the referrer column using the dollar operator. Right, so I'm just kind of going to clog our console, so let me clean it up. Okay, so we have filtered out for all those visits which resulted in a conversion, and then we use the referrer operator because we use the referrer column because we are going to plot it. Now when you are going to use the bar plot, you cannot just input this value. First we have to create a count for each of the referrers, right? So this will be passed into the table function, right? Whatever we saw in the previous step, we'll pass it to the table function, right? So now you have a count of the different referrers, how many visits came from each of these referrers. Okay, now the next step is to pass this table to the bar plot function. Okay, so use the bar plot function and we will pass on the result from the table function to the bar plot function. Right, so here you can see the